Is your nightstand a jumbled mess? Let me show you how I organize my nightstand with just the things I need so I can breeze through my morning and evening routines. I'm Terry Elizabeth, author of How to Organize Any Space in 7 Simplified Steps, where I show you how to organize your spaces according to your personal organizing style so that your spaces can finally stay organized. If you need help organizing or just love organizing videos, click the subscribe button now. Right here in this corner, I have supplements I might take at night as needed. I don't recommend this supplement unless you are used to doing natural cleanses. I will go into detail on my blog. Here I have supplements I take in the morning since probiotics and enzymes are best taken on an empty stomach. This magnesium oil is best to spray on your legs at night for better sleep. I use this lens cleaner every morning along with the optical cloth because my glasses get grimy. I have DIY moisturizers here. I keep this scrub in here because I don't like to keep glass in the bathroom after I broke a coconut oil jar in the bathroom and it was a bloody mess. In this section I have my deodorant, a doTERRA Breathe Stick, this black cumin essential oil from Dr. Axe, along with a little jasmine infused oil I received as a gift, and 3 different eye drops. This section holds my face products including a hyaluronic acid, rose water, a retinol moisturizer, and a tinted moisturizer with SPF. These organizers are all from the Dollar Tree. This is a face massager as I have pretty constant facial pain, which I explain on my blog. And these doTERRA essential oils I use in all kinds of DIY products, including skin and hair care products, cleaning products, and in my diffuser. I have them all facing me when I look over and into my nightstand from my bed. This organizer holds 5 milliliter bottles along with roller balls, including a DIY hair growth serum for my brows that were lost in the 90s. This organizer holds 15 milliliter bottles. This right here is a DIY face serum, and this little tool helps you to pop out the orifice reducer from the essential oil bottles so you can get the very last drops of each oil. And I have lip moisturizers here. To the side I have the bottle cap stickers for each essential oil and a mini doTERRA A to Z guide. I do have a second drawer in this nightstand where I hold books that I'm currently reading and some bird supplies like seeds and paper towel and a mini broom and dustpan because yes, I have the birds sleeping up here in my room in their sleeping cages. If you haven't grabbed my free Perfect Organizing Duo yet, be sure to check the description box below for the link to my website. I want to know what is your favorite essential oil and how do you use it? Share in the comments below. And while you're there, don't forget to grab your freebie, which includes my 7-step guide to organizing any space along with my organizational goal setting resource. That way you can get started organizing your spaces, and the nightstand is a great place to start. It's a small enough space that you can get it done quickly, and it'll help you to build momentum to organize the rest of your spaces. In my next video, I will show you how to organize the linen closet in 6 different organizing styles. So be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!